Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well today. So really quickly, I just want to share with you some of the things I do to get my hair curly and voluminous and without using those toxic chemicals, those mousses and those gels. I did cut all that out on my healing journey and I switched over to all natural products. So of course my shampoo is all natural, but when I get out of the shower, I brush my hair really good, and then I put this in my hair. I leave this in the refrigerator. It's Aloe Vera Gel. And I get this at Sprouts. I get the big one because I use so much in my hair. But what I do is I just keep that in my refrigerator, and I pour about a cup, about a half a cup to a cup in a glass, and I dump my head upside down while my hair's still wet, and I just pour it all throughout my hair, and I scrunch it up just like this, and I just saturate my hair with it, and then I blow dry my hair with one of these on my blow dryer. It's a diffuser, and so that's what I do, and it gets my hair super curly. I do have wavy hair to begin with, but this definitely enhances the curls in my hair, and it keeps it super soft, and it doesn't feel all cakey like some of those hair products. The mousse that I used to use for years, since I think I was 14 years old, is that Paul Mitchell coconut mousse. And it smells so good. And so I love that coconut smell, especially because I am a big hugger. And when people hug me, I like to smell good. And coconut is one of my favorite scents. So, but the one I use, so after I put the gel in my hair, the aloe vera gel, and I scrunch it, and my hair's almost dry, I take this, and it's all natural black coconut oil, and I'll just put a little bit in my hand, and I'll just scrunch it all throughout my hair, and then I'll finish blow drying it. And when I blow dry it in the heat, it kind of infuses the smells in my hair. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you because some of those products out there, they're just not good for us. We should not be putting these things on our hair, as well as our lotions on our skin. And I'll do another video on just some of the lotions I use, very simple. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. And I hope you guys are all having a wonderful, blessed day as always. And I will see you in the next video. God bless. Bye-bye.